This combination rejuvenates the skin. It tightens and brightens the complexion, making you look younger. Your skin becomes like that of a 20-year-old. It erases wrinkles and delays the effects of aging. The face is smooth and radiant, and all you need is primarily Nivea cream. Many women around the world use this popular cream. It gives the skin softness, eliminates fine lines, protects the skin from drying out, and removes discoloration, but you can use it even better. Turn it into a super cosmetic. Squeeze some lemon juice into the Nivea cream. Lemon makes the skin radiant, making spots and discoloration disappear. Add a teaspoon of powdered milk. It's the perfect, nourishing ingredient for many facial cosmetics. It brightens the complexion, nourishes, and improves its appearance. Finally, add a teaspoon of petroleum jelly. It will further moisturize, soften, and firm the skin. Use such a cream as a mask. Apply it to your face, neck, and décolleté in the evening. Leave it on the skin for at least an hour. After this time, spread the mask on the skin again and remove any excess. Your skin will be younger by many years.